Chief Minister N. Biren inaugurates Behyang Police Station in Churachandpur district. Police station on alert against illegal migrants. AMSU shut down all activities of Dhanamanjuri University. Counselling for undergraduates of the university suspended. CPI Manipur State Council demands white paper on expenditure of around 275 crore rupees, which led to recent overdraft crisis of Manipur. Truck falls into Lengang Lok on Imphal Jiri Road under New Kaithalmanvi Police Station, killing at least 4 men and critically injuring 4 others. An Art and Culture State Tourism and Hero Foundation gear up to conduct Roots, a musical journey of Northeast folk music and instrument on June 26. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Primetime English News. I'm Ibete Tokchong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren inaugurated a police station at Behyang under Singhat subdivision in Churachandpur district today. Various tree saplings were also planted on the campus of the newly inaugurated police station. Speaking in the event organized by Manipur Police Department, Biren assured of taking up initiatives to develop Behyang as the second threat center of Manipur. He maintained that the newly opened police station will keep strict eye on illegal migrants entering the state from Myanmar via Behyang. The Chief Minister also disclosed that a proposal worth 800 crore rupees has been already sent to the Center for Construction of Roads to connect all the villages on Indo-Myanmar border. Biren also assured to upgrade Imphal-Behyang Road into a highway and to look into the inadequacies of Behyang village. Minister Karam Shyam, T.H. Shyam Kumar, T.H. Radheshyam, V. Hankalian, Loshi Dikho and local MLA Jin Swan Ho Jo attended the event. It may be mentioned that Manipur Police Housing Corporation constructed the police station established in 2016 and for which the foundation stone was laid in 2017.
Similarly, Aigi Churachandpur peoples town the lady with the Faria, Masiki periphery the labor, Singat the lady, Behang the lady, the surrounding village the lady was in city, unguarded, care to winnable in the labor. I Koigi Manipur Mina Trabadona, India is citizen not Trabadona, Sang Lerambado, Madugin White over the field or Kadani Quina. Why not? Prajamayam Sinsigi, Ashoiba, Awatpa, Anayek, Lapamatanda, Apopa, Lamdagi. Hatto Miosin Sanahomatan, the Madugi, Guard Kanana, over again, Munda Kalakan de Quina. Bahang police station, Saviwari, Lower Kanda. Within 9 months, 2017 December, the 19th is a Tahole, Hobody, that's in 2018 December, I don't know, within 6-7 months, Loishan Mangame.
Counseling session for undergraduate students of Dhanamanjuri University, which was scheduled for today, has been suspended due to the ban imposed by All Manipur Students Union. It may be mentioned that AMSU started a boycott over lack of proper infrastructure in the university since yesterday. Joint Students Forum DMU today prevented students who came for counseling from entering the university. Manipur police team keep a strict vigil to avoid any untoward incidents at the university campus. Counseling session at GP Women College and Law College under the university were cancelled. Speaking to media, convener of Joint Students Forum DMU, Yumnam Rajesh asserted that AMSU's initiative is for the betterment of the students' community. He warned that AMSU will launch various forms of intense agitations if relevant authorities fail to pay heed to their demands.
AI ꯗ ꯑꯦꯐꯤꯂꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯗꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯝꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯍꯩꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯇ ꯇꯝꯖꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯅꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯥꯔꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯠꯇꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯝꯂꯨꯔꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯐꯪꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯥꯔꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯐꯝ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯁꯤꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ MCQC ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯏꯍꯧꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯤꯛ ꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯥꯎꯈꯨꯝ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯏꯍꯧ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯖꯧꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯕꯣꯏꯀꯣꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯤ.
State Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council Laistram Sotin Kumar has demanded white paper on the expenditure of around 275 crore rupees, which led to the recent overdraft crisis of the state. Sotin Kumar insinuated that the funds were utilized in the 17th Lok Sabha elections in the state. Speaking to media at Irawat Bhavan, BT Raw today, the CPI State Secretary maintained that the party held a State Council meeting at Thobal Khetri Sanglen on June 23 to discuss on the chaotic situation of the state. Sotin Kumar maintained that the meeting resolved to demand the state government to release white paper on the overdraft issue to curb water crises facing state farmers at the earliest, to declare arid areas of the state as drought-affected areas, and to form an inquiry committee to inspect into the alleged misappropriation of food grains provided under National Food Security Act. He mentioned that the meeting also resolved to demand greater autonomy for Manipur, continuance of special act status for the state, to withdraw Citizenship Amendment Bill to remove Armed Forces Special Power Act of FSFA to implement 7th Pay Commission for government employees of the state and to accord minimum wage rate of 18,000 rupees per month to workers.
Election की code of conduct manungda lupa crore chani ga humudra ga manga overdraft tahan khiba maru ina khoina khalli madudi soidana election da BJP gi candidate mai pakna ba senyam sing adu thadaram gani athuba da white paper ama puthokna bagi akan ba demand tawba state sarkar asina war footing da cheliba turen singdagi akhoi makhan kaya gi pambai sinarakanda lahon hun ba yana ba low pan ba yana ba madugi thorang thoksin mayam sing ase paikhatpa drought affected area ni hydra lock thokna bagi ofam sima ching sing ase masi market ta black tawrakanda lupa kunthra gi mathakta yonthoe haibase akhoi mayek sena khange maramaduna Food Security Eki niyom chumna chanhanaba adumba akanba inquiry committee ma semnaba koi demand toba.
4 individuals were killed and 4 others sustained injuries in a road mishap today. The accident occurred when a Tata truck plummeted into Lengang Lok Gorge on Imphal Jiri Road and the new Kaitalmanbi police station around 5:50 this morning. The 4 deceased are identified as 26-year-old Tokchom Todonba Elais Muthi, son of Sanajauba, 36-year-old Laishram Dorin, son of El Ibohal, 30-year-old Laishram Dhaneshwar Elais Nanau, son of Tomba, all from Moidangpok Mayai Lekai, and 31-year-old Wangkai Rakpam Shante Elais Subol, son of Led Deban from Moidangpok Awang Lekai. The 4 individuals who sustained severe injuries in the accident are identified as 34-year-old Tokchom Nabakishore, son of Led Heramon from Moidangpok Awang Lekai, 34-year-old Tokchom Sital, son of Sanajauba, 30-year-old Laishram Boy, son of Toiba, and 25-year-old Laishram Nautomba, son of El Ibobi from Moidangpok Mayai Lekai. They are in critical conditions at ICU of RIMS, Jenims and Caesar Hospital. Naurem Dwizamani, the prime suspect in murder of renowned fashion designer Robert Naurem's mother, Naurem Rekha, was produced before Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West today. Dwizamani denied killing his wife before the court. During the proceeding, Naurem Dwizamani appealed to the judge to allow him to undergo treatment for his illness. The judge also asked him to submit relevant medical documents and put him into judicial custody for 15 days. Unknown individuals reportedly tried to construct 2 new rooms of Laijing Ningthau Government Junior High School at Thangmeiban, Lairam Hanjabam Lekai without the knowledge of the authorities concerned. Thangmeiban MLA Khumukcham Joy Kisan demanded those involved to surrender themselves latest by June 27. He also appealed to the State Education Commissioner to clarify the matter at the earliest. Unidentified individuals reportedly initiated construction of 2 new rooms of the school on June 9 without any prior notice to the JET-EO concerned additional director and the school head mistress. Local MLA KS Joy Kisan today met with the school authority and inspected the site. Speaking to media, MLA Joy Kisan assured that he will extend all possible supports to all initiatives of the Education Department to improve government schools in his constituency in his capacity as a local MLA. He expressed disappointment that those involved in the construction of the 2 new rooms of Laijing Ningtao Government Junior High School are untraceable. He maintained that the relevant officials were apparently clueless about the matter when approached. Condemning the occurrence, MLA Joy Kisan asserted that even the Chief Minister and the Minister concerned will not approve such unauthorized construction.
Laijing Togi School Sida the Kani Sabiram Bamiro Topiro, Mas Apapa, Tamabin School is Haningba, Tamabin, Angang Singbaning Bamio, the 8, Masishu Tagachari, Amutu Tagachage, Manas Hani, the Tugara Maga Lord Kibo Magadi, Madu. Akoy na madu ain gi oibe mieng da education department kai la khut ka dage haiba du department gi leriba commissioner director na hena khangamani school sangama kana gi permission da thugare mino masi permission na mati pibam thoi adu kana gi knowledge da thugare mino additional director su khangdre hariba additional director si makha da Sri Polngi maga masai construction si loi leibini ma su khangdre jeri su khangdre hare adu itari khangi si kana overall leriba commissioner di Kangbom to eb. Masu Kang de Haragadi, Harry missing my motive sicarino, Mana school panda bohonabada, Mangal Libra Habese, Masi, Chinataba, Namde.
Kangambog MLA Okram Surjakumar has flatly denied threatening forest officials and staffs in connection with extractions of earth at Tentha Chingya. Speaking to media at his quarter in Babupara today, MLA Surjakumar stated that local residents of Wangjing Tentha along with Wangjing Tentha Pradhan, Jila Parishad and members filled up earth at the embankment of the river which passes through Wangjing Tentha and Lamding couple of days ago to avoid artificial flood in the area. He maintained that officials of the Forest Department confiscated 2 JCB earth movers and 1 tipper trunk utilized in extracting earth from Tentha Chingya for filling up the embankment. The MLA denied carrying out any coercive measures against the forest officials. Surjakumar stated that he appealed to the officials on behalf of the local residents to let them pay a fine and even agreed to stop extracting mud. MLA Surjakumar asked the government to enlighten the local residents on where to get the required earth for repairing the embankment.
mayamgi ising chawgi tawbune duna ai khoi respected DFO oigadra natra forest department gi any concern noi gi official amtang da ai request amtang tawjage number dung tang PBU have moi forest la iba the official jing duna ki bani khangni kari ni khangni number chu pi dre do ai kothi thijaraga forest ki official jing maru oina respected koi DFO adagi koi gi lairiba aro da kari dai number yam try tawjai matam du da adu moi phone ji chin bagi ni khangni kari ni khangni moi ju paikhalakidre aina request tawjining badi khoi gi gari sing si phabadudi pardon tawbiro moi khangdadana tawrubu orambasu yai laikai gi isagi private thabak tawbana tamne praja gi sing chawrokpagi thabak tawbani na madum tang kitang yengbiyu haiduna request tawjage haina ai maduda tawjagimni maduda aina force sinaba khochinaba dudi mayamna lanna khara kitang sandokpiba lawmaker amana force na akhoi praja gi seba tawge haina thoksarakpani akhoi na maduda law thugaina ba ai maduda karimta tawjagiba leide.
Oinam MLA cum chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board L. Radhakishore today distributed 14-month honorarium to NSFA Fair Price shopkeepers in Oinam constituency. MLA Radhakishore distributed a total honorarium amount of 15,54,338.50 rupees at the rate of 65 rupees per quintal of rice for October 2017 till December 2018 to 50 fair price shops opened at Tobul, Khoijuman, Irengbam, Oinam, Laimaram, Ngaikong, Yumnam Kunau and Kainau in the constituency. Speaking to media at Guest House in Babupara today, MLA L. Radhakishore assured that there is abundant rice grains in stock for NSFA beneficiaries.
लाइरब मीद सिंगसी फंगनदब सरकार की थबक तौबगुमदसु फंगबगुमबा तसेंगना लाइरब फंगफम थोक मीद फंगमदब सिंग अदु अखोय बिशनपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट की ऑलमोस्ट अखोय चेक एंड बैलेंस मसी रिपोर्ट तौब लोरे अदुना हौजिक फावदा बिशनपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट 87% फंगदबसे बिशनपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट की 80% खक अखोय पीबंगमी 7 फंगदब 80 पीरगा 7% मदि हौजिक फो अखोय पीद्री सु करिगनो चेंगसु लेरबा ऑर्डर्स थोबा सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने अकन महा की इंस्ट्रक्शन पीगो है अखोन सोमद बेनिफिशरी से कना कना फंगदबनो है रेकॉर्ड सेंसस डाटा सेक चुम्न तौरमदबदगी अखोन मपुंग फाना पीब ngamdri.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on government's national strategic plan to end tuberculosis by 2025. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. The government has developed a national strategic plan with the goal for ending tuberculosis by 2025. Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare Aswini Kumar Choubey said India accounts for 27.4 lakh estimated new TB cases annually, which is the highest in terms of absolute numbers. He said the estimated cases of TB in the country is 204 per lakh population for the year 2017 as per the last year's global TB report. However, India ranks 35th in the world in terms of TB cases per lakh population. Over 5,62,000 patients were cured of TB last year. Indo-Burma Sugnu Road Bus Owners Welfare Union Imphal has resolved to cease passenger service on Burma Sugnu Road from July 1st. The Drivers Union has also demanded removal of Transport Commissioner M. Lakshmi Kumar for failing to act in the interest of transporters. Speaking to media at the union office in Pauna Bazaar today, Union Secretary T.H. Radhesham stated that over 80 buses approved by the Thoubal and Kaching transporters are in service from 5 a.m. till 5 p.m. since May 27 from Imphal to Kaching, Imphal to Chandel, Imphal to Suknu, Imphal to Sero and Imphal to Chakpikarong on Burma Sugnu route instead of buses approved by Manipur State Transport. He stated that such heavy traffic on the road increases occurrence of road accidents. The Union Secretary further asserted that despite repeated intimations about the matter to Chief Minister, Commissioner and Transport Director, no actions are taken till date. He also alleged that the Transport Commissioner didn't even respond properly to those transporters who went to meet him regarding the matter.
BSR line July ki tang amadagi koi pungni phuni phan passenger servicing ban doksalagani koi maramdi MST na bus service leitam homda bus chen hulngani hairam laga koi BSR route transport department na koi STN approve to timetable amagi makhada bus marfu nungtigi ayuk pum manga makhai dagi na nungtigi pum manga phawba minute pan khudingi service tawri mafam sida ikhang khawdana megi tang ko tret tagi koi MST service phal thobal kaching da thajalakwa masina maram warga bus je hidana duna accident thokadra haina khoina mi pai pokle masi BSR inana yam kana yaningdi honorable Chief Minister, Transport Commissioner, Transport Director, da IBC Pikre, Masin Mokoina Pakomamata Pirkidava, Transport Commissioner M. Lakshmi Kumar ji Unarure, Unabaka Namana Transporter, Singasi Wari Sananinge, Haina, Pazadaba Waiwata Sing Tamlaki, Amase Government, Transport Commissioner, Transporter Singi Hulkangmama, Tamu Pami.
Hero Foundation is all set to conduct Roots, a musical journey of Northeast folk music and instrument on June 26 in collaboration with Art and Culture and the Tourism Department. Folk artists of Manipur, Guru Ruben Mangshava, Mayang Lambam, Mangangshana, Baba Funingding Kathar from Karbi Anglong and renowned folk artists of Assam, Dr. Prasanna Gogoi and many other folk artists from 8 Northeast states will perform in the musical event to be held at JN Manipur Dance Academy. Yangon-based Mizima TV will telecast the event in Myanmar, Thailand and other Southeast Asian countries. Speaking to media, Guru Ruben Mangsava stated that music is a universal language with no boundary. He stated that folk artists of Northeast states are coming together for the musical event, holding on to the faith that music can enhance ties between India and Southeast Asian countries including Myanmar. Guru Ruben maintained that the event will expose the treasured folk music heritage of Northeast states.
Northeast music and the instrument habits. Idols oihalaga, kaman oina khominaraga. Aina tangkrugi isi pena editing kalde khombaganda. Assam ki binduda man improvise to biyaba. Adu maidi ki pena sa amutarokani. Akoiji mutu amtangdi showcase utpa amachang. Nangdi aduni nangdi atani. Aidi I'm blue, you're black, you're yellow. Habi ki potu. Leirushu true music dagiti. Language to kapta. Music ki feelings ki heart to heart ki poti connect every yagni da. Isiki state isiki folk musician aphaushu art and culture koina happy reharga. Mpumpa ningai koina hona cheri habshi.
Taking part in the press meet, Baba Funing Ding Kathar and Dr. Prasanna Gogoi lauded the initiatives to bring folk music and folk instruments of Northeast states on a single platform for the first time in Manipur. They opined that such event will popularize the hidden talent of the Northeast states to the world.
My message is very simple. Let there be peace in the kingdom of heaven. Let there be peace here on earth. Let there be peace with all human beings. Let's be into humanity so that we love each other. Music has a platform. It is a medium for us to get connected. And through music, we can win the hearts of millions. Through music, we can change the world.
Searching our roots through musical journey along with folk music and musical instruments. We want to keep these traditions alive for our coming generations also. Our culture is our identity. Our music is our identity. Our musical instruments are our identity. Our folk songs says history, who we are. So this is the best and one of the first initial beginning of roots that we'll be doing musical journey.
Smart Society, a subsidiary unit of Salai Holdings Private Limited, initiated a week-long paper bag making training today with an aim to reduce use of plastic bags, to save environment and to generate income. The training on the theme Let's Prosper Together was launched at Haraurok Mayai Laikai Community Hall. Speaking in the event, Secretary of Smart Society and Dhanabati said that 50 individuals will be trained in the first phase. She assured that similar activities will aid in generating income for women's section will be organized in near future. Dhanabati also stated that Smart Society will take care of all training equipments as well as marketing of the finished products. Kundrakpam Assembly constituency candidate in the last assembly election, T.H. Muhindro, attended the event.
Sariba bag making ado moi masajo hijauba amadi haibada natana moina production do moina mathang tongan ba akogi polythene myam je muthalaga tongan ba item akogi hajik paper bag making haraga tongan ba item sem yangre only akoina alu hawai onanabagi paper akogi bag to sabada nate tongan ba different kind of akogi item singda luhong bagi oigera akogi ceremony oigera tongan ba akoina scenery ba polythene gi item sing se yari ge di salai gi akoina khalaiba siarmengi wakhanlonda masi plak muthatlaga tongan bak paper na silakpagi wakhalon duni sauna khoina thamibase.
Evaluation and Examination Reforms Unit SCERT Government of Manipur kicked off 5-day workshop on question design blueprint and model question at EduSet Hall HTTI DM College campus today. Speaking in the event as CERT Special Secretary S. Kolia Larho asserted that education and good health are crucial in bringing a better society. She urged those in education and health sectors to serve the public with dedication and sacrificial spirit. Taking part in the event, Joint Director HOODDO at CERT Jim G. Thinguzam stated that education is the foundation of a superior society. He stressed on the need to equip teachers with the latest teaching techniques as they play integral roles in developing our society. 41 government and private schools teachers attended the event.
The best. One is the doctor, one is a teacher. Doctor saves life, and you teachers, you mold someone's life. I believe that assessment, as the topic of today, will only happen when you teachers put your heart and soul into it in teaching
quality education porakna bai damakta important oiba pot khar chani madudi afaba textbook quality leiba oja amadi oja sengna satra singda translate to biriba adu content area yamna quality leiba am chani oja singi yamna maru oiba role si question je kamai to na semaga kamai to na hangaga angang sigi magi khangjari ba knowledge haijari ba pot se kamai to na parikha da yangadage habasu oja singi khutta leji
5-day police training on search and rescue kicked off at the banquet hall of the 1st Manipur Rifles today. Relief and Disaster Management Civil Defense Manipur organized the training under the aegis of the Department of Relief and Disaster Management. Speaking in the event, Controller of Relief and Disaster Management Civil Defense, Ayub Khan stressed the need to aware police personnel on search and rescue operations as they are the first one to face any emergencies or disasters. Around 80 personnel will be trained every day during the 5-day training program. They will be trained on how to give first aids, firefighting and mock exercise will also be conducted amongst others. Personnel of the 1st MR Battalion, 9th IRB Mahila Battalion, Home Guard and Imphal West VDF personnel are taking part in the program.
Police personnel role of vital role of police in disaster management. Why can it over the training program any disaster protecting measure over the gate, preventing measure over the gate, to save life, to protect damage to property, to maintain continuity of protections, to keep up morale of the civilian population. Police personnel have to see their nearest to the public, their eyes, ears, and the backbone of the public. Because Manipur forward and police na, MR Singna, IRB na, BDF na, na si Loriba, na si
An awareness program on drug abuse was held at Inspire Science Academy, Sangai Pro today ahead of International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking on June 26. Additional SP NAB TH Brinda and OC NAB B Rishikesh Sharma gave resourceful insights on the negative impacts of drugs abuse in the awareness program. School Vice President O. Anand, teachers and more than 300 students of the school attended the awareness program. Somsai Battalion of 10th Sector Assam Rifles held one-day free medical camp at Kamashon Waleli village in Ukhrul district yesterday. 212 individuals from Sihai, Kamashon and Waleli village, including individuals from Indo-Myanmar border, were checked up and free medicines were provided during the camp. Former Moirang MLA cum President of Manipur Cycling Association, Myrinbam Prithviraj has been elected as Vice President of Cycling Federation of India. He was elected as a Vice President during the annual General Body meeting of the Federation held at PCA Stadium in Mohali, Punjab today, while E. Bhumeshwar was elected as Executive Member of the Federation. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister N. Biren inaugurates Behyam Police Station in Churachandpur District. Police station on alert against illegal migrants. AMSU shut down all activities of Dhanamanjuri University. Counseling for undergraduates of the university suspended. CPI Manipur State Council demands white paper on expenditure of around 275 crore rupees, which led to recent overdose crises of Manipur. Truck falls into Lengang Lok on Imphal-Juri Road under New Katalmanbi Police Station, killing at least 4 men and critically injuring 4 others. And Art and Culture, State Tourism and Hero Foundation gear up to conduct routes a musical journey of Northeast folk music and instrument on June 26.